Mathews is simply trying to show that he has a criminal record and therefore he's a bad person.
All of the things are related to things that were part of Sam DuBose's life on July the 19th.
The defense and prosecution argue for and against evidence in the murder trial of former police officer Ray Tenzing. The jury will not hear about the disease Sam DuBose had been fighting when he died or about his extensive criminal record.
To the defense, it's evidence to show a justified police shooting. The prosecution called it character assassination. Local 12's Deb Dixon shows us what the jury will get to hear.
The prosecution argued against letting the jury see medical records that show Sam DuBose's treatment for a serious disease and a report that shows he'd been smoking pot because the toxicologist can't say when, and DuBose's criminal record.
He thinks we'll put him in a bad light in front of this jury. There's certainly no relevance to the matters that are before this court in trial.
The question is, why would Sam DuBose take off from what they call a routine traffic stop, if there is such a thing? Well, these issues that are before the court today answer that question.
Judge Megan Shanahan agreed with the prosecution except about the marijuana found on DuBose and the 2 pounds of pot in the car. The jury will hear about that.
That gives him a whole lot of incentive to try to get away.
That's at the heart of the defense. Officer Ray Tenzing ran the back license plate on DuBose's car and it came back to his fiancée, who had a suspended license. What happened after that is caught on body cam video, but not all the experts see the same thing. Today, the prosecution stipulated the car was moving when Ray Tenzing shot Sam DuBose.
Originally, the story was put out that Ray shot him because he got mad at him as he was driving away. But the evidence is that he was rapidly driving away when this happened, and Ray was caught up in the car.
Yeah, it moved about 15 inches.
Oh, okay. So that you don't see that as evidence that he was trying to take off?
Well, he was slowly rolling away.
When the evidence comes out at trial, it will be closer to what I say.
I said this over a year ago. You don't get shot in the head for rolling away from a traffic stop. This is America. That's not the way we operate.
The prosecution says the shooting of Sam DuBose is murder, the purposeful killing of another human being. The defense says justified. Ray Tenzing was afraid for his life when DuBose drove off after Tenzing reached into the car. For the jury, one thing is certain. The body cam video will include a battle of the video experts. Deborah Dixon, Local 12 News.
Lawyers on both sides begin questioning potential jurors on Monday.